The government of Kenya cannot and will not stand by as its demarches are ignored and its territorial integrity is infringed upon and its sovereign resources are carved out and shared out by an ungracious and unbrotherly neighbor acting to satisfy the greed of commercial interests resident in foreign lands. Kenya would like to remind the government of Somalia, and by extension the international community, that Kenya's magnanimity towards its neighbors must never be taken for granted. Kenya has paid an unparalleled price for its generosity and hospitality without ever asking for anything in return. The lives of Kenyans lost owing to Kenya's commitment to international peace and security remain a fresh memory in the minds of Kenyans and a painful reminder of the high cost of good neighborliness and international corporate responsibility.